In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on your Shopify account. Keeping your account secure by updating your password regularly is a great habit to cultivate, and I'm here to make the process as smooth and straightforward as possible for you. To begin with, you'll want to start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the name of your store displayed there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering you a variety of options. From this drop-down menu, you want to select your profile. Clicking here will direct you to your personal profile settings. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section as it contains a lot of important information about your account. Once you're in your profile settings, shift your focus to the left panel. Here, you'll notice several options listed, and among them, you'll find Security. Click on the Security option. This will lead you to a new section dedicated solely to securing your account, which is quite crucial in today's digital age. Within the security settings, one of the options you can turn your attention to is Change Password. This is the focal point of today's video, so go ahead and click on it. Changing your password is a critical step in safeguarding all your hard work and sensitive information, so it's important to dedicate some attention to this task. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This is an essential security measure as it verifies that you are indeed the account owner who is requesting the change. If you've forgotten your current password, you may need to reset it through the Shopify password reset function before proceeding. But assuming you have your current password ready, go ahead and type it in. Once you've entered the current password, you will need to configure your new password. Think carefully as you create it. Your password should be strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and special characters if necessary, to enhance its security. Aim for a password that isn't easily guessable but is still memorable enough for you to recall without difficulty. After typing in your new password, you may have to re-enter it to ensure there are no typos. Consistency throughout these stages ensures you won't face unnecessary roadblocks later on. And just like that, you've successfully updated your Shopify account password. Changing your password regularly is a wise practice and is part of maintaining a secure and operational online store. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay secure out there, and until next time, take care.